IBM Cúram software provides enterprise-wide, outcomes-based features and tools that support the caseworker in working effectively with the family. These tools provide an agency-wide working environment that supports all users and provides case management tools that can be used on an as-needed basis throughout the life of a case. One of those tools is the Prior History View. This tool provides quick summary information of an individual's prior involvement with the agency. Often working under tight time frames and in need of quick summary information, an investigator or other caseworker needs a brief thumbnail sketch of a person's prior history with the agency, particularly if the person has been previously involved in an investigation of abuse or neglect. By selecting the Citizen Context Viewer of a case participant, the solution provides a view of a person's prior history with the Child Welfare or Child Protection Agency. The CCV is a tree structure which opens in a pop-up window so that it can be used in conjunction with the application. At the top of the CCV is an image of the CCV client, if available, and his or her personal details. Each one of the components that make up the CCV structure groups together aspects of client information, including the client's cases, client communities, family relationships, client interactions, and multidisciplinary teams who act on behalf of clients. The Care and Protection component displays a summary of a client's programs, such as food stamps, TANF, unemployment insurance benefits, or medical assistance. Using the Case and Participant Index, or CPI, in conjunction with CCV, enables agency workers to see a history of a client's programs across agencies, thus providing a holistic view of the client. The information displayed for each program includes the program status, the primary client if relevant, and the program reference number. Caseworkers can use this component to identify other programs or other organizations that are more suited to fulfilling the client's needs and facilitate the client to become more self-sufficient and eventually less reliant on social welfare. This component can be used to identify trends within families and use this information to intervene at an early stage. For example, a common pattern in families is for siblings to move from child welfare programs to juvenile justice programs and social welfare programs in their adult years. By detecting this pattern early, agency workers can intervene for younger family members, thus breaking the cycle of dependency. The Communities component displays the communities that the client is a member of. The classification of a community is dependent on the case or benefit, examples being a benefit screening case, part of an investigation with another agency, food stamps, or TANF. The Prior History component shows a client's history with the agency. Often working under tight time frames and in need of quick summary information, an investigator or other caseworker needs a brief thumbnail sketch of a person's prior history with the agency, particularly if the person has been previously involved in an investigation of abuse or neglect. By selecting the Citizen Context Viewer of a case participant, the solution provides a view of a person's prior history with the Child Welfare or Child Protection Agency. The Family component shows a client's relationships. One of the main benefits of integrating the Cúram Participant Index with the CCV is the ability to see information about family members across agencies. This allows agency workers to view information about family members who are not part of the household, for example, absent parents. The CCV view can be changed to display information for any family member. To change the existing CCV client with a family member, the CCV user can drag and drop family members onto the top panel. This will refresh the panel and the tree structure to display client information for that family member. For example, an agency worker can select an absent parent and see if that parent is in receipt of payments for programs from other agencies. The Dealings component displays interactions between the client and the agency. It provides summary details of all the client's communications and payments, thus forming an overview of a client's contacts with the agency. Another use case for the CCV is that it can be used to assist social service agency workers in detecting client fraud. By retrieving information from Cúram and non-Cúram systems, the caseworker can detect if a client is attempting to collect the same benefits from different agencies or within different jurisdictions. IBM Cúram software provides enterprise-wide, outcomes-based features and tools that support the caseworker in working effectively with the family. In this video, we showcased the Prior History View, a caseworker tool that provides summary information of an individual's and their family's prior involvement with the agency and possibly external partner agencies. Thank you for watching. Make sure to view our other videos highlighting other unique features in our IBM Cúram Child Welfare solution.